These are my new Roku indoor security cameras. And as you can tell, it's a 2-pack of them. I got them from Amazon and they only costed $37. And now I will be unboxing them. Looks pretty neat. That's the setup buttons. This is the power cord with the wall charger block. The screws to wall mount it. These are the USB-C power cables to each camera. And to my knowledge, these cameras are cloud-based, so you download the Roku Smart Home app on your smartphone, link them together, connect them to Wi-Fi, and they're ready to roll. All right, bye.